Ready to dive into your favorite PS4 game, but your debit card is throwing a wrench in the plan? Don't worry, you're not alone, and we're here to fix it in 90 seconds. First step, double-check your billing information on your PlayStation account. Even a minor typo in your card number, expiration date, or security code can cause the transaction to fail. Navigate to account management, then address book, and verify that everything matches your card statement exactly. And I mean exactly. Next, is your card even active? It might sound obvious, but a surprising number of payment issues stem from expired cards or cards that have been temporarily blocked by your bank. Especially if you've recently made a large purchase, call your bank immediately to make sure everything is okay. Believe it or not, Sony doesn't accept every single type of debit card. So visit the PlayStation website's support section to confirm that your card's provider is supported in your region. While you are on the website, check for any reported issues of system-wide payment issues. On the same website, there will be a page for PlayStation Network status. Check if the network or store is facing an outage or undergoing maintenance that may impact the ability to make purchases. Still no luck? It's time to explore alternative payment methods. Consider using PayPal if you have an account, or grab a PlayStation Store gift card from a local retailer, or online gift cards can be easily redeemed on your PS4 without needing a debit card. And that's it. By checking your details, confirming your card status, and exploring other options, you should be back to gaming in no time. If you're still having problems, contacting PlayStation support directly might be necessary, but hopefully these steps got you back in the game. Be sure to like and subscribe for more PS4 tips and tricks.